Hello there one and all, and welcome to this live stream video for the property here in Addams, Mews. Apologies about the drop there. Modern technology, wonderful isn't it? But thank you for joining me on this slightly grey day here in Spencer's Wood. So the property in front of me is the one I'm here to talk about today. It is a 2-bed coach house, and as I've stated already, little unusual in that it is a freehold property. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you down the road, but first of all what I am going to do is to take you, just show you the area of the development. Sorry, bear with me guys, my gimbal has decided to go strange today. Right, so round here, I'm just going to, there we are, hopefully that sorts it. Okay, so down the part here now, you get one garage, which is this one here, and I'll take you in there in a moment. You also have one allocated space, which is this one here. Okay, so you have parking for one here, parking for one in the garage, plus there's lots of parking around the area. So what I'm going to do is just open this garage here, nice big door, so it's an up and over, and in here is the garage. Now it is currently being used as storage. You can see there the fishing gear for it all, and the other part that you have down the bottom here is a good storage room as well, currently locked up, excuse me, but again really good space in there, certainly big enough for a car should you want to put one, and there is power and electrics in here as well, as you can see, currently being used to store the fishing gear. So what we'll do, let's shut this up. There we are, I'll get that locked up in a second, and then this is your door here. So these two garages here are owned by yourself, you hold the freehold. However, you have long leases where you've leased it out to your neighbours, and when I say long leases, it is about 980 years left, I believe, on those ones there. So yeah, and potentially there would be a ground rent, but it would only be a peppercorn, £1 a week, something like that, £1 a year, sorry. Okay, so into the property. So start on the ground floor, so really good size, welcoming porch area. There's your electrics, all metal as well, so it's the latest additions if you were to look at this as an investment, and there is a wired-in smoke detector just there. So LED strip light going up the side adds to the effect of the property. I think it's a really good touch in there, makes it nice and welcoming. And then we're on up and into a really welcoming hallway, large size as well, and people don't appreciate a hallway until you've walked into something quite small. What I'm going to do is take you into this one here, this bedroom. So this is the main bedroom, and it's a really large double. This is a super king bed, ladies and gentlemen, so that's over 6 foot wide, and there is more than enough space on either side to comfortably walk around it. Okay, double glazed windows, really good insulation, lovely and quiet. Oh, hello there, caught myself in the mirror. But you have these mirrored double wardrobes. I'm just going to slide one open slightly just to give you an idea. Lots of hanging space and storage in there as well. So really good space. Little, you know, nowadays modern properties don't normally have storage, so the fact that you've got that in here is certainly an added bonus. Just standing on the corner, just to give you an idea of the size of the room in here. Really good size, lovely and bright as well throughout it. Carpet as well is nice and thick, really well maintained and looked after. Loads of life in that as well. So from the main bedroom we have the family bathroom, all white units, Lovely shower, and I love the added touch of the fact that the controls are on the side there as opposed to under it, so you can turn the shower on without getting wet. And then it's got the extractor and window to combat any damp, anything like that. So really, really well thought out. Lovely heated towel rail there, all nice white units as well. And it's a good size, it's not small at all. So heading on over, so in here we have the boiler. So it's gas central heating in there, and again, good storage space, currently being used as a coat room. And then into bedroom 2. Again, really good size double, slightly smaller than the main room, but you would expect that as bedroom 2. And this is currently being used as a bedroom stroke home office. And again, just standing roughly in the corners to give you an idea. This is a double bed, fits in well. And then if I open here, this is obviously over the stairs, but well thought of and well used. Storage space as well, gives you extra space, extra room in here. So if this was you easily convert that into a wardrobe if you were using it using this room as a bedroom. For that one there, lots of plug sockets as well, and again, nice and bright. Lovely big window over. Nice big window there, which is to the front of the property, and yeah, you're not overlooked really at all. Right, through here is the main reception room and the kitchen, and then I love the I don't know if you can pick it up, the LED lights above and below really adds to the character in here. Beautiful kitchen as well, gas hob. And then you have a built-in dishwasher just here. Now the vendors are keen to tell me the fact that it's only been used twice in the 8 years that they've been here. So it's although it's not new, it virtually looks and feels new. Full-size fridge freezer, 60-40 split on that one there. And then you have a washing machine or a washer dryer, I believe. Just here it is. Oh, it's a washer dryer, 7 kilo washer dryer. Lovely. I love the handles, the contrast in it all, and then it's the lovely soft close as well. Good Bosch oven here in the corner. So it's an electric oven, gas hob, and then where they've put the sofas really helps to separate from the kitchen, the dining, and then your living room. So walking down to the end here, you get a sense of the size of the room. Really quite spacious. Lovely big triple window there, and then you have the balcony as well. So you know, summer's mornings, open this up, have your coffee out on the balcony, and the fact that they've put the reed around it as well to add to the privacy side of it as well. And then if I just put a foot out, give you an idea, so around the area, how nice and quiet it is. Now yeah, fine, it's during the week, it's midday, but listen, it's lovely and quiet. All you can hear is the bird song. The odd plane going overhead. So it's a really nice development. You're just around the corner from Spencer's Wood, and the shops around there, so lovely and quiet around here. Real good village location over there, just giving you an idea of the surroundings. You can see there some of the parking, so all of those are allocated, but just around the corner is some free parking spaces, and I would so if you're entertaining, there's lots of space for people around here. So this property has been well looked after, as I've said. It's well used, well maintained, and these guys are now looking to upsize. So they've decided, after many years of living here and enjoying it, that they just feel now's the time to find somewhere a wee bit bigger. So what I would say, this would make a fantastic first home. It hasn't got the complications of any leaseholds, anything like that. It's a lovely freehold property. 2 bedrooms, ideal for first time buyers, ideal for landlord investors, because of the level of finish in here would just make it very easy to rent out. Or for those that are maybe downsizing slightly, something like that, you know, you're close to the village, you're not too far from the motorway and the M4, you're not too far from you've got doctors, dentists, you've got health centres, you're close to schools, local shops, things like that. So ideal location. One thing that I haven't mentioned is the attic, and that's there. Now it is all locked up, but the attic is partially boarded, but the attic does run the whole size of the property. So potentially there might be development opportunities into that, if not certainly for a large amount of storage as well. So unfortunately I'm coming towards the end of this one here, so thank you very much for joining me. Any questions about the property, about the viewings and anything like that, do give me a call, get in touch. I'd love to show you around privately, and I really want to thank you for joining me today. If that's it, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off here now, and I'm going to say thank you very much. And I look forward to seeing you at the new one. Take care.